Okay, so real quickly, I want to make sure you see an example of a box with trinomials. Because here's a trinomial, or here, 1, 2, 3. Here's a binomial. And so your box can go any way you like. I think I'm gonna do mine like this. I say anyway. There's only so many ways it could go. Okay, so I have 2x squared, 3x plus minus 4. Okay, then I have 4x plus 3. So 4 times 2 is 8x, and this is cubed because here's 1 plus 2 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. X times x is x squared. 4 times negative 4 is negative 16x. Now let's do the second row. 3 times 2 is 6. This didn't have any x's, so that part's easy. 3 times 3 is 9 with x. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. So now this matches this. Okay, I don't have any other x cubes, so 8x cubed. 6 plus 12 is 18x squared. Okay, oopsies. This one and this one, they're both x's. So 9 and negative 16, if I did that right in my head, that's negative 7x. This has nothing to combine it with, minus 12. So this is your answer for this multiplication, okay? Now remember, notice here the order that it's written in, okay? Look, 3, 2, 1, and then just numbers, okay? So I don't want y'all to forget to put them in the right order. If it's in the wrong order, I'm taking points off, or I might just count it wrong altogether because I can't tell what answer it's supposed to be, okay? All right, cut scene. Now let's go on to dividing. Okay, I don't want you to get confused. All right, and I do want you to remember quotient rule. Okay, says that x to the a divided by x to the b equals x a minus b. So you're going to be subtracting those exponents. Notice nothing happens to my x value. It just hangs out, okay? So if I have 6x plus 9 divided by 3. Well, 6 divided by 3 is 2. And that's just still an x. 9 divided by 3 is 3. This is your answer. Because if I took that 3 and multiplied it by 2x, I'd get 6x. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, let's look at a little bit harder one. So if I take 40x squared minus 8x divided by 8x. Okay, 40 divided by 8 is 5. X squared divided by x. Remember, a minus b. 2 minus 1 is just 1. So there's 5x. Okay, 8x divided by 8x is 1. And it's negative because that's negative. So here's what I have. If I made a box and multiplied these two, then that would give me this on top. Okay, so let's do one that's a teensy, weensy, itty bitty bit harder. Let's see. 14x 6 y 3 minus 49 x 5 y 9, all that, divided by negative 7 x to the 4 y. I know you're thinking, oh my goodness, what in the world? Trust me, this is easy. You just have to break it apart. Okay, 14 divided by negative 7. Well, that's negative 2. Then I'm going to have x. 6 minus 4, 2. Remember, there's a 1 here. 3 minus the 1, y squared. Okay, we did that part. Now let's do this part. Negative 49 divided by 7 is positive 7. 5x's minus 4x's is just x. 9 y to the 9th power divided by y to the 1 power, or first power, or no, yeah, first power, is going to be y 8. So here's our lovely long squished answer, sorry. Hopefully you're writing this on your whole sheet of paper. So you see how we just worked through each piece to go through it, okay? All right, tomorrow in class I will show you more, but make sure you take your notes because you're gonna need to bring them to class, okay?